Hey guys, welcome to your very own data science channel, Unfold Data Science. So guys, I am extremely happy to announce that we have completed 15k subscribers. Well, I don't call them subscribers, all are my family members. So Unfold Data Science family is now 15k strong. A big congratulations to all of you. So there are a few things going on in my mind on how to celebrate this, and couple of things I want to discuss with you here. So we cannot do a physical meetup, but let's do a online meetup like the one we did last time. If that condition is normal, we could have met somewhere in the city physically and done some get together kind of thing. But let's manage with online meeting, online discussion, online meetup kind of thing over Zoom, and there we will have some conversations, some talks, some announcements which are going on in my mind. I have thought through few things, so those things also I will talk, and I want you guys to give me some idea on how shall we make this celebration big, how shall we celebrate this, how shall we discuss, what should be the topic of discussions, what all we should speak about, all these things, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a link for a Google form. You have to go and fill that form to receive the invitation for the Zoom invite meetup. Okay, so we are going to celebrate our 15k achievement in that Zoom call. So just go ahead and fill that form. In that form you will have a section of suggestions, right? So there you can write how we should celebrate this. You can write your own suggestions, what should be the topics we should cover, how we should discuss, all those stuff, right? It will be more of a generic talk, generic discussions, getting to know each other, some funny talks, some light talk kind of thing, nothing related to data science, AI, ML. Okay, but you are free to give your suggestions in the Google form as well as when we talk. Okay, and also guys, I'm releasing this video at IST nearly 11 p.m. so I don't know who will be the first people to watch this video, but what I thought is, let me give a surprise gift to the people who fill in the beginning, who fill the form, who are first to fill the forms. Okay, so first 5 people to fill the form for online meetup will receive some kind of gift from me. Okay, it will be a very small kind of gift, but still that is kind of emotional connect that I share with all of you, right? So that is the plan, guys. Just go ahead and fill the form. We'll have a live meetup, we'll enjoy, we will celebrate this occasion. And once again, a very big thank you to each one of you for motivating me, providing me likes, all the feedbacks, all the comments, everything that you guys have done. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the meetup and see you with my next video. Wherever you are, stay safe and take care.